purple.
Flower, orange.
Very good. Orange.
Carrot, green with yellow.
Yeah, what is this?
A water hose.
Green. Water hose.
Brown chocolate.
Very good.
Black cat. Red oven mitt.
I think it's just a mitten.
I just got this paint horse caught and got him saddled. I'm heading up here to meet Tyler. He's at another farm. He works some horses up here right above us. I'm meeting him up here somewhere, and we're gonna go put some miles on these horses. It's a really nice day today. So we work a few horses for different people, and on days like today, we like to take advantage of it because we can get out and ride a good ways. Really put some miles on a horse, and it's just really, really pretty weather right now. I stopped by for lunch right quick, everybody, on my way up to where I'm going to work with these horses. I got a banana right here. Okay, so I split it in half, just like that, just like a banana split. Take a little bit of mayonnaise here. You can do it different ways, but you know, this spoon's got mayonnaise all over it, folks. Spread it like that. I don't like a lot of mayonnaise. Give me a little bit of peanut butter. I'm not gonna be afraid to dig in there and get a hold of that peanut butter, everybody. And I'm just gonna spread this around on this bread. Oh, I love peanut butter. Split it right there in half. It's getting hot on us, everybody, so we're starting to go to more fruity type sandwiches here. I don't know what all kind of fruit you might want to put on a sandwich, but this is really good. I've been eating these all my life. Got plenty of peanut butter on it. And it is good.
Hey, Miss Turkey. Lovely day, isn't it? We have 2 clusters today. One here, one there.
Folks, I'm in the middle of nowhere. There ain't no doubt about that. I found a horse trailer right here. I don't know if that's the one that Tyler and the other folks that he came with. He's riding some colts for a farm, so I'm not sure if that's their trailer or not. We're heading down through here now, see if we can find them. That's a pretty ride. Hopefully I'll run into them somewhere. I don't know, there ain't a lick of service up here. I mean, it's in the middle of nowhere. This horse ain't hardly broke. Hopefully he'll do pretty good. I don't think I'm gonna find him. There's a lot of land here. I mean, it is a big place. Still riding. I ain't seen hide and hair of them. Nothing but me and the horse. Me, the horse, and the Lord. I finally found the horse trails up here. See if this horse wants a drink of water here. Get you a drink, everybody.
Can anybody guess what we're making this afternoon? Yep, banana pudding. But this is one we've never made before. We've made lots of banana puddings. Y'all know this. We've made Paula Deen recipes. I think 2 or 3 different Paula Deen banana pudding recipes. Some that I made up myself. My mama's banana pudding. Old-fashioned banana pudding. Lots of banana puddings. But surprisingly, we've still not made them all. I've had a lot of y'all ask if we would try the Magnolia Bakery copycat banana pudding recipe. Now, of course, we've never had the banana pudding from the Magnolia Bakery. because we've never been there before. But there are copycat recipes online. All of them are pretty much exactly the same, I think. I thought one of y'all gave me the recipe, but I couldn't find it, so I just Googled it and found one to try. So here's what we do. The first thing we need is 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Now, we have made a banana pudding recipe before where we used sweetened condensed milk. Somebody that Titus worked with gave him that recipe, I think. Supposedly, to a lot of people, this is the best banana pudding ever. I read some of the reviews. I'm not sure if they're Southern because, you know, Southerners take a lot of pride in their banana pudding, but they said it was the best banana pudding they ever had. Now, we can't compare it, of course, to the actual Magnolia Bakery banana pudding, but we will let y'all know, compared to the other banana pudding recipes that we've made, where this one stands. So there's the sweetened condensed milk, making me think about homemade ice cream in the summertime. Okay, now we need 1.5 cups of ice cold water. I put this in the freezer about 15 to 20 minutes ago, so it hasn't started freezing yet, but it is really cold. Now we are gonna put on the whisk attachment. We're gonna mix this for 1 minute on low, and then we're gonna turn it up to medium for another minute. Next, we need instant vanilla pudding. So I have that, but we just need the 3.4 ounce pack, and this is the 5.1. So we're not going to use quite all of this. I guess on that amount there, I think that's about right. So we're going to mix this for 2 minutes. Then we'll transfer it to a different bowl and put it in the refrigerator to chill for about 30 minutes to an hour. Okay, so we'll just pour this in here. Put it in the refrigerator and go ahead and wash this bowl because we're going to need the mixer again when this finishes setting up to whip some heavy cream. Tonight we're going to have a pasta bake. I was going to make that yesterday to go with our leftover carrot bread because that carrot bread is so good. It has like an Italian taste to it. So it would go really good with spaghetti and stuff, but we ate almost all of it last night with our sandwiches. So we'll just make some garlic toast to go with that. And I can't find the end to my duster. There's a little end that you put on the bottom of this and it can be like really, really long, which is what I need, but I don't know where it is. So we'll just have to make do.
I never seen them. I rode and rode all through these mountains, over through the river. I don't know where they are, but anyway, as I was riding, I noticed a rock. Oh yes, I noticed somebody, a guy, or more than likely it was an old boy, came down here with some blue spray paint, spray painted a rock, put a heart on it. Most of these people that so-called fall in love, get them some blue spray paint, run down in the woods, way down in the woods at that, and spray paint a heart. You know, 4 or 5 years down the road, he jumped up one morning, had to wear a pair of mismatched socks, and he went up to the dollar store and got him a magic eraser and ran way down in them woods and tried to get that off that rock. Folks, there's other ways of doing it. You don't have to go spray painting rocks. Like I say, they get a hold of them magic erasers. It was just, that's the devil's work. Matter of fact, I'm coming up on the blue heart right now. Folks, I gotta go down here and turn around. See, I came in this way, so I'm just gonna show you. There it is. It's fading. There it is. Somebody's in love. Hope they're still in love. They put it on the rock. There they are, folks. I found them on the way out. That older gentleman there on the bicycle, it's an electric bike. He's been helping me look for them. I let him come on around me there. He's got his fishing rod. Having a time. That's a good place to come up here and fish.
Okay, the pudding mixture has been in the refrigerator now for about close to 45 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and start whipping up the heavy cream. We need 3 cups. Here's 2 and 3. So we're just gonna whip this until stiff peaks form. Okay, we're starting to get some peaks there, so we're going to slowly add in the pudding mixture now. It's nice and set up, really firm. See that? Really firm, so we're just going to add it in a little bit at a time and mix it in with the whipped cream. Okay, and there is the pudding mixture. It said just to mix it until there were no more streaks of the pudding. I have a little bit on the side, but we'll mix that in. We'll stir it around and mix that in. Now we're gonna slice up the bananas and get the casserole dish that we're gonna put this in. I haven't told Titus about this banana pudding recipe, so we'll just see what he thinks about it. He doesn't know what the ingredients are. Well, I mean, he's gonna know there are bananas and vanilla wafers, but other than that, he doesn't know how we're making the pudding part. He doesn't even know, like, that it's a copycat recipe or anything. Alright, so we start with the pudding. It's a very nice, thick pudding, but it has that whipped feel because, you know, it's got the whipped cream in it. I hope this container is big enough here. I did not go back and check what size container it said to use. Now we put the vanilla wafers. Now, I like more bananas in banana pudding. Titus likes more cookies, and I'm pretty sure the kids are all for more cookies. My favorite part is the bananas. Now we just repeat. Okay, y'all, we're almost to the end here. Definitely use a little bit of a bigger dish than I did because I am going to be overflowing just a little, but that's okay. There it is. Now we'll just put a few vanilla wafers on the top. I think I'm just going to do 3 little wafers there. Let's see how this lid's going to do. Nope, it's going to smush it down. We'll skip the lid. We'll just cover it loosely with some plastic wrap and put it in the refrigerator. It needs to be in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours.
I'm ready to eat it up the banana peels.
You ready to taste the pudding?
Yes.
I'll give you and Cece and Jonah a taste test.
Whenever I put them before.
Yeah, you have. Come on.
Wow, this is yummy.
It's yummy?
Yes.
Wait right there. This is banana pudding, like you've never had before. We want your honest opinion when you taste it. There you go.
I think it's great. It's really good.
Of all the banana puddings we've had, where would you rate it? Like up at the top with
Yeah.
the top best ones?
I sure would. It's creamy. It's really super good. No bad taste at all. I mean, all good.
It's a copycat.
Fluffy.
Yeah, it's fluffy. Yeah, it's a copycat recipe of Magnolia Bakery's famous banana pudding. It's like, from what I read, they're known for their banana pudding.
It's just great.
It's in New York.
That's as good as it gets.
It is good. I just tasted a little bit of it.
Great, y'all. I love that.
Nanner pudding call. Call for nanner pudding.
You reckon they call it naner pudding up there? No. Magnolia, y'all got any naner pudding? That's why I came up here now. Need some naner pudding.